Hey everybody, Bryce here at Two Brothers Powersports in Onalaska, Wisconsin. Wanted to bring you kind of like a cool little demo show process today on some cool new technology from Honda. This here is a brand new CB650R. A lot of really cool things about this bike, but mainly wanted to show you this guy right here, Honda E-Clutch. So new technology coming out on these bikes. Both the CBR 650R and this one, the CB650R, have this. What this is basically electronically actuated clutch. And you can choose whether you have it on or off too. Comes with then a quick shifter too once it's actually engaged. When I fire this bike up here, as long as I have this little green icon here, the clutch assist, the system is active. Now I can go in and in my settings here too, and I can jump in here and I can switch this completely off or back on then too. Now, if this is off, this is a completely normal, manual, non-quick shifting bike, like what we're all kind of used to. The cool thing is, though, especially for newer riders or in-town riding, it takes away all the hard clutch work. So once the system is active, I'm in neutral right now. I've got kind of like a dead clutch here. With the system off, this is a normal, regular feeling clutch lever. With it active, though, with the dead clutch, I can put it in gear. We're in first now, no clutch, and I can just drive off. Normally when I'm doing like a slow little turn here too, still haven't put my left hand on the bars. Normally on a slow turn, I gotta feather the clutch a little bit. Makes it super easy. Like I'm just doing this little circle right here with one hand. Now, the cool part is too, like I said, once this is active, you have the up and down quick shifter as well. Now, if I come back here and put it back into neutral, say I wanna use the clutch now. The system is still on. Dead clutch. If I pull this clutch in, put it in first, icon goes off. So now the E-clutch is still active. I still have the quick shifter on, but now because I put the clutch in first, put in first, now I have a normal working clutch. All the fuel is there too. As I drive away with the clutch, now I've got to feather it as I'm kind of doing this little circle here too. So I have a completely normal working clutch lever. If I come back over here now, put it back in neutral, icon comes back on. I have the dead clutch again. I can put it in first if I want to. No clutch. So really kind of cool that you don't have to use it, or you can. With it off, completely normal bike. With it back on, you have the option then. I think most people are probably going to ride this with the E-clutch active, and if they want to use the clutch then, they can just manually activate it. But I think it's going to be really cool for in-town. A little bit different than just your normal quick shifter, very different from Honda's DCT technologies even too. So some new kind of cool stuff. Stop in. We're happy to demo this for you in person too, and check it out. Have both the CB and CBR in right now as well. But if you got questions, give us a call, 608-781-3360. Thanks. We'll see you soon.